What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine. Guys, have you ever wondered how much money does YouTuber make and what are those top 10 most earning YouTubers? So in this video we're talking about that, the top 10 most richest YouTuber. But before starting, I want to request, if you're new to my channel, please like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to make another new videos. So hope you understand and please subscribe to our channel for join the family. So without more talking, we have in top 10 is Technical Guruji. He is an Indian creator, tech creator with over 24 million plus subscriber. And if you currently see his monthly views, it's around 9.2 million, and he earned around 37k monthly and a yearly of $600,000. You can clearly see that. For that, he has over $45 million. And coming up to in number 9, you all know him as Ninja. He is the famous streamer with over 24 million subscribers with a 3.8 million views. You can clearly see his subscribers are down, but that's not matter. His monthly earning is around 15k and the yearly earning around $200,000. So if we take that, he earned around $50 million. Coming up to number 8, we have Jake Paul. You all know him as the professional boxer in YouTube. So he has over 21 million plus subscribers and the monthly views of 15 million. His monthly earning around $62,000 and a yearly of $800,000. And if you also see his views, it's over 7.3 billion. So he's earning way more than the data shows there. So according to calculations, his net worth is about $80 million, which is probably a huge number. So moving on to next, in number 7, we have Dudes Perfect. They make some crazy type of challenges content on YouTube. So if you see their channel, they have over 60 million plus subscribers. You can clearly see, and their monthly views is around 168 million, which is why they earn monthly around $600,000 and a yearly income of $7.4 million, which is pretty high. So if we see their views, their content, their challenges, their sponsors, they have around $100 million of net worth. And moving on to number 6, we have Forehead. Oh, sorry, I mean KSI, who has a pretty big face in the internet. You can clearly see his channel. He has around 17 million plus subscribers. His views are lately down, but that doesn't matter. You can clearly see his yearly earnings are around $800,000. And also, if you don't forget, he is the founder of the water company called Prime, which is roughly a big company. So he is earning more from there also, and that's why his net worth is around $100 million and even more. So coming up to number 5, we have Ryan Kaji. He is basically a kids creator with over 40 million plus subscribers, and if you clearly see his views, it's around 294 million per month, and he's earning 1.2 million in lately month and a yearly of $14 million. You can clearly see just for the reviews of toys. So if you take the calculation, here's around $104 million of net worth. So coming up to number 4, we have Like Nastia. She is also a kids creator with over 100 million plus subscribers and a monthly views of 890 million plus. You can clearly see his monthly income is around $3.6 million and a yearly income is around $48 million. So it's pretty huge number for a kids creator, but that doesn't matter. So if we see the all the income sources, they had around $150 million plus of net worth. Coming up to number 3, we have Logan Paul. You probably know him as one of the OG creators with over 20 million plus subscribers. His monthly views is around 6.6 million and his monthly earning is around $26,000 and a yearly of $200,000 plus, which is probably low for him. But don't forget, he is also one of the founder of the company called Prime with KSI. So probably his earning is around $150 million too. Coming up to number 2, we have Jeffree Star. She is a makeup artist, also an entrepreneur, and with a YouTuber with over 16 million plus subscribers. Her monthly views around 700k and monthly income is around 3.1k and yearly of 54k. But don't forget, she's an entrepreneur, so she's earning way more than that. If we took her all income sources, she's net worth is around $200 million, which is huge. So I hope I don't have to say who the number one is. You all know him as Mr. Beast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, with over 400 million plus subscribers, 3.4 billion monthly views. His income a month is around $14 million and yearly above $140 million. Don't forget, he has festivals, his merchandise, and many more things. But he also helped so many peoples like in Africa and also donated many things. If we see his company's valuation, it's over 1 billion plus. So we can clearly say that Jimmy, aka Mr. Beast, is one of the richest YouTuber in YouTube history. So that's for today, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I've seen you in the next video. Bye.